Hello and welcome to the October edition of my foraging video series. Thanks so much for watching this video. I also made some videos from March until this month, so you might want to get back to some older videos in case you haven't watched them. Some of the plants that I showed you there are still available now, so you can still check them out as well. In this video I'm going to show you some fruits and nuts. And the day when I was making these plant videos, I was so overwhelmed with joy and gratitude for everything I found. October is really a great month for foraging because there's a lot to find in nature. And the great thing about foraging is that everything is for free and it's all equally available to everyone. So everything you find in nature, it's just really a gift. And it reminded me that just as generous nature is, that the creator of nature is equally generous, and that we can also be generous with what we have. We can give generously because we have been given abundantly. So that's maybe something you can keep in mind next time you go outside. And yeah, I hope you are able to find some of these plants and enjoy it. This is sea buckthorn, and sea buckthorn is extremely healthy. It contains 8 times as much vitamin C as lemons. Personally, I've only ever seen it here in the north of Germany at the Baltic coast, but this shrub is originally from Asia, so you might be able to find it in other places too. Sea buckthorn can be used to, well, you can eat it raw, but it's extremely sour, so usually I add it to oatmeal, and then I also add some sugar and honey. And sea buckthorn can also be used to make syrup and other sweets. This is hawthorn. Hawthorn berries can be made into jellies and wine. They contain flavonoids with heart-friendly antioxidant activity, and they also contain vitamins B and C. This is a walnut tree. Walnuts are extremely healthy. They are high in iron, potassium, magnesium and unsaturated fats. They can reduce inflammation and they are good for heart health. When you collect them on the ground, they will look more like the one on the right hand side. You just have to remove the peels and dry them before cracking them. You can dry them in the sun or over the radiator. These are rose hips, the fruits of the wild rose. Fresh rosehip contains a lot of vitamin C, so you can take it to treat and prevent vitamin C deficiencies, colds and the flu. However, much of the vitamin C gets destroyed during drying and processing. Rosehip can be used to make jam, which tastes really delicious, and you can also dry the fruits to make tea. And rosehip tea is also great for treating stomach problems. These are elderberries, the fruits of the elderberry tree. Elderberries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that help boost the immune system. They are great for the heart, to tame inflammation and to lessen stress. And they are also used as a remedy for constipation, muscle pain and the flu. Before eating them, you must absolutely cook them, because only by cooking them can you break down a harmful compound they contain. Otherwise, elderberries are great for making jams, wine and syrup. Now finally, please feel free to share with us what you've prepared with what you found, maybe some recipes, some ideas on how to use or conserve these plants. Please share them in the comments below. And if you have any thoughts on what generosity means for you or how you see it in nature, please also feel free to share it with us. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.